Happy 4th of July! The air is buzzing with excitement, and everywhere you look, there's a sense of celebration and new beginnings. As fireworks light up the sky, we're stepping into a year that's all about boldness, creativity, and a little bit of magic. Today, we're diving into the metallic skin trend, a dazzling look that's making everyone sparkle in 2025. It's not just a style, it's a movement, and it's taking over runways, parties, and everyday life. Imagine being dipped in stardust. That's the vibe. This trend isn't just about makeup, it's about shining from the inside out. It's about letting your inner light burst through, so you glow with confidence and joy. All over the world, people are adding shimmer to their look, feeling bright and happy like fireworks in the night sky. From city streets to small towns, everyone's catching the sparkle fever. This year is all about playfulness and breaking old makeup rules. Forget what you thought you knew. 2025 is about experimenting, mixing colors, and having fun with your look. We're not hiding who we are, we're adding a touch of magic. Every shimmer and sparkle is a celebration of individuality and self-expression. Think shiny silver robots or pirate gold. Now, that sparkle can be yours. Whether you want to look futuristic or a little bit legendary, metallics let you play with fantasy and reality. Designers have shown metallic looks on runways, and now it's your turn. The world is your stage, and you get to decide how you shine. It's easy, fun, and makes you feel like a star. Even a little shimmer can transform your mood and your day. Anyone can try it, no experience needed. The goal? Express yourself no matter your age, style, or background. Metallics are for everyone. Add a dot of silver to your eye for a subtle twinkle, or sweep gold on your cheekbone for a radiant highlight that catches the light with every move. Your face is your canvas. Each brushstroke is a chance to create something new, something uniquely you. We'll show you how to prep your skin so it's smooth and ready for all that shimmer. Healthy, glowing skin is the perfect base for any metallic look. Then we'll add those futuristic metallic touches: silver, gold, bronze, or even bold colors like blue and violet. The possibilities are endless. Ready to begin? We'll go step by step so you can follow along and discover your own shimmering style. We'll cover skin, nails, and even hair. Metallics aren't just for your face. Let your whole look shine. This is your chance to be creative. Forget perfection. It's about having fun, making mistakes, and discovering what makes you feel amazing. The metallic trend is about having fun and letting your personality shine. When you sparkle, you inspire others to do the same. Let's dive into this shimmering world and master the metallic skin trend of 2025. Get ready to transform your routine into a celebration. Grab your tools and get ready to sparkle. Whether you're a beginner or a beauty pro, there's something here for everyone. Let's make this year brilliant, together. When we shine as individuals, we light up the world as a community. Are you ready to shine? Let's get started and make 2025 your most radiant year yet. Before we dive into the shimmer and shine, let's talk about the most important step: creating a flawless base. Think of this as sculpting. Before you add any color or sparkle, you need a smooth, even surface to work on. Imagine your face as a piece of fresh, untouched clay, soft, supple, and ready to be shaped into something beautiful. This is the canvas for your masterpiece. The 2025 beauty secret is all about a soft, blurred look. Forget the ultra-glossy, glassy skin of past years. Now it's about a gentle matte finish that looks natural and effortless, like a soft focus filter in real life. This soft matte base is what makes metallics and shimmers truly stand out, just like a shiny sticker pops against a matte background. The contrast is what makes the look modern and fresh. Start by making sure your face is clean and free of any old makeup or oils. Gently wash and pat dry so your skin is fresh and ready for the next steps. Apply a simple, hydrating moisturizer. Let it fully absorb into your skin. This helps your makeup glide on smoothly and keeps your skin comfortable all day. If you have a primer, choose one with a blurring effect. This type of primer fills in fine lines and minimizes pores, creating a silky, even surface. It's like smoothing out the clay before you start sculpting details. Next, use a lightweight foundation or skin tint to even out your complexion. The goal isn't to mask your skin, but to create a uniform tone that still looks like you. If you have any redness, dark circles, or blemishes, dab a little concealer just where you need it. Blend gently so everything looks seamless and natural. Remember, you're not trying to hide your skin, just enhance it. A little goes a long way. For that signature soft focus effect, use a blur foundation or a finely milled setting powder. Blend in gentle circular motions to create a velvety airbrushed finish. The aim is a soft matte finish. Think of it as the perfect backdrop for the metallics and shimmers you'll add next. With this base, any metallic or shiny accents you apply will truly become the stars of your look, catching the light and drawing attention. Your skin should feel light, breathable, and velvety, not cakey or heavy. If it feels like you're wearing nothing, you've done it right. Take your time with this step. Good preparation is the secret to makeup that looks fresh and lasts all day. Once your canvas is prepped and perfected, metallics and shimmers will glide on effortlessly, giving you that futuristic editorial look. Your skin is now the perfect stage for the main attraction, shimmer and shine. Remember, less is more. Let your natural features shine through the makeup, and don't be afraid to show a little skin texture. Think of your blurred base as the quiet stage that lets your sparkly show steal the spotlight. Enjoy the process. Makeup should be fun, not rushed. With this foundation, you're ready to step into a new era of beauty, one that's both futuristic and flattering. Are you ready for the next step? Let's bring on the shine and see your look come to life. Your soft, clay-like skin is the perfect starting point for any creative makeup adventure. Let's move on to the fun part. It's time to shimmer and let your creativity shine. Now for the fun part, adding metallic magic. This is where your look truly comes alive, and you get to play with light and color in a way that feels almost futuristic. Metallics aren't just about sparkle. They're about sculpting your features and creating a radiant, otherworldly glow that turns heads. Start by placing shimmer on the high points of your face. Think cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your brow bone. These are the areas that naturally catch the light, so adding metallic shine here will instantly lift and brighten your whole look. This technique highlights your features, giving you a sculpted, luminous look that feels both fresh and bold. It's like adding instant dimension and radiance to your face. Don't be afraid to experiment. Use your fingers for a more natural, skin-like finish, or a soft brush for a diffused, airbrushed effect. The key is to have fun and let your creativity shine. Begin with a liquid or cream highlighter as your base. These formulas melt into the skin, creating a seamless, dewy effect that looks like you're glowing from within. Tap a tiny drop onto your cheekbones, nose, and brow bone. Remember, a little goes a long way. Build up the intensity gradually for the most natural result. Tapping with your finger helps blend the product seamlessly into your skin, so there are no harsh lines, just a soft, radiant sheen. For extra shine and staying power, layer a metallic powder highlighter on top using a fluffy brush. This step really amps up the glow and locks everything in place. Layering not only intensifies the effect, but also helps your glow last all day or all night without fading. Don't be afraid to play with color. Choose classic silver or gold for a timeless look, or go bold with purples, greens, or even holographic shades for a statement finish. Always blend the edges with a clean brush or your finger for a smooth, natural transition between your highlighter and the rest of your makeup. The goal is a glow that looks like it's coming from within. Soft, diffused, and never streaky or patchy. With these steps, your face now has that signature clay-like finish, but with a modern, futuristic gleam that's totally unique. It's a simple trick with a big impact. You're officially shimmering, ready to catch the light and everyone's attention. Remember, blending is key. No harsh lines, just a seamless, radiant finish that looks effortless. Don't be afraid to experiment with placement and color to suit your mood or style. Try highlighting your cupid's bow, inner corners of your eyes, or even your collarbones for extra drama. Shine on, and let's keep going. Your metallic masterpiece is just getting started. Next up, tips for textured skin, so everyone can rock this look with confidence. Everyone's skin is unique. Texture is normal and beautiful. Metallics can highlight texture, especially silver on cheeks. If you have textured skin, try placing metallics on smoother areas, like your eyes. A pop of metallic eyeshadow or liner draws attention to your eyes and looks stunning. You're still rocking the trend, just in a way that flatters you. Think of it as decorating your best features. Peachy or golden shimmers are more forgiving on cheeks. The key: do what makes you feel confident and radiant. Adapt the trend to suit you. Shine where you want to shine. Let's move on to sparkling eyes. Metallic eyes are a showstopper, no expertise needed. For 2025, a single splash of metallic color on the lid is modern and bold. Try silver, bronze, rose gold, or shimmering blue. Start with clean lids and a bit of primer. Swipe metallic cream shadow across your lid with your finger. For more drama, add a winged liner before your shimmer. A bright dot of silver or white in the inner corner makes eyes pop. This trick makes you look awake and your eyes bigger. Mix and match shades for your own style. Let your eyes twinkle like stars. It's an easy, everyday way to wear the trend. Experiment and have fun. Ready for chrome nails? The metallic trend extends to your fingertips. Chrome nails are huge in 2025. They're shiny, reflective, and look like liquid metal. Try silver, gold, or even rainbow chrome for a futuristic touch. You can get them at a salon or try a kit at home. Start with a base coat, rub on chrome powder, and seal with a top coat. Add charms or jewels for extra flair, or keep it simple with metallic polish. Try a metallic French tip for a chic twist. Your hands deserve to dazzle too. Let your digits join the party. Next, metallic lips. Ready to go bold? Metallic lips are a statement for 2025. Swipe on bronze, copper, or even silver for instant drama. Use a lip liner for definition, then fill in with your metallic shade. Prefer subtle? Try a metallic gloss or dab shimmer in the center of your lips. For a soft look, blend berry lipstick with a touch of gold or rose gold powder in the center. Mix and match for a look that's uniquely you. Metallic lips pair best with simple makeup elsewhere. It's a fun way to experiment and stand out. Let your lips be the star. Now let's add some shine to your hair. Don't forget your hair. Metallic accessories are the perfect finishing touch. No need for dye. Just add silver clips, gold headbands, or bronze pins. Try metallic ribbons in braids or a shiny hair tie for a sleek ponytail. Metallic charms or clamps add sparkle to braids or updos. Temporary metallic hairspray is great for parties. Just wash it out after. Scatter a few accessories for subtle shine or cluster them for a statement. These details show you've thought about your look from head to toe. Experiment with shapes, stars, moons, rings. Metallic hair is the final step to mastering the trend. Now you're glowing from head to fingertips. You've learned how to shine from skin to nails, lips, and hair. Now make these ideas your own. There are no strict rules. Mix metals, try new colors, and step outside your comfort zone. Makeup is your playground. Experiment and express yourself. Try metallic freckles, match your nails to your bag, or add gems to your eyes. Look to the world for inspiration. City lights, beetlebacks, ocean shimmer. Most importantly, have fun. When you enjoy yourself, you radiate real beauty. Lay out your shiny products, put on your favorite music, and create. Whether you go subtle or bold, wear it with a smile. Shine from the inside out. The world is your stage. Go out and sparkle. You're ready to own the metallic trend of 2025.